Hello, so this is exactly the video you needed today because there are lots of questions that must be arising in your mind whether to stay in the market or exit our positions or what could be happening or like sort of what are the possibilities due to ongoing conflicts and this arising global tension. So you know as a look, okay, I will say just one thing. If you know risk management, you know what to do, because being a trader you must have already a risk management plan beforehand. Before getting into any trade, we as a trader, we make all the possibilities, we sort out, we list all the possibilities, all the drawdowns, all the worst possible scenario that can happen. We are not only looking at the target price, we are not looking only at the profits, because we let profits run, but we are aiming to cut our losses short. So like whenever I put, like even if I put 6 trades, what I do is, like, I position size my trades based on the amount of capital I'm ready to lose. Like I'm ready to like if things goes against me, if trend goes against me, be it any reason, because it's not necessary that you will be in profit for the entire year. There will be months when the market just consolidates, or there would be an years also when there will be a downfall. You can't say that that market will always be in a downtrend. So we are always ready to bear and go with the flow with whatever happens as per our plan. But we are not ready to risk our discipline, because if we risk our discipline, if we don't put our stop loss when it gets hit, when it gets trigger, what can happen that we can we can lose more of the capital. And when we lose more of the capital, we are not ready to look at it, because we are trying to turn our face from the reality. We are trying to run away from the pain, and then that turning from the pain will turn into gets to hope. Then we will start hoping that it's gonna come to a price, like your stop loss was at 5%, and then now you didn't took that stop loss. Now the price has hit 10% stop loss, which was not which is literally against the plan. So now you are literally hoping that even if I am able to get my money, if I'm able to protect my capital at -7%, I will just do that. So we are hoping. So this hope is literally false, because you didn't follow the plan. Now you are losing more and more of the capital, and what could probably happen, that a huge amount of sum would be lost, and then you will be in shock. So you better not risk your discipline. So you better stay with the risk management. You better exit if your stop loss gets hit, because what can probably happen, that maybe our economy doesn't get affected with whatever is happening. And if it doesn't, so the trend will definitely continue with whatever it is, if it's in high, because we are already in an uptrend. So, or what also can happen, that we may see some consolidation, and if that happens, then our indicators will be our best friend. And if we see a downtrend, then we will be exiting our positions, whatever we invested in. So this is what could happen. And try not to be affected negatively, try not to look at the markets at the open. So the best thing you can do is take your phone when it's like the session is about to end. Then you can decide what you are supposed to happen, because when you open market tomorrow, there will be a lot of fluctuations. So don't get carried away by that. Don't take that negative energy, because those starting candles, those 5 minutes candles, are temporary. They are not a bigger picture. Bigger picture candle would be the session end candle, like when the market ends. That's it for today.